Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 43. 8 copies of a book cost 16 naira. Find the cost of 5 copies. A 10 naira, B 5 naira, C 3.2 naira, and D 2 naira. So we are given that 8 copies of a book cost 16 naira, and then we have to find the cost of 5 copies. Now 8 copies cost what? Cost 16 naira. 8 copies cost 16 naira. Now we have to find the cost of 1 copy, so that after finding the cost of 1 copy, we can just simply multiply the cost of 1 copy by 5 to find the number of what the cost of 5 copies. Now we have that 8 copies cost 16 naira, so therefore 1 copy will cost what? 16 naira over 8 divided by 8. That is 16 divided by 8 will give us the cost for 1 copy, and that is what? 2 naira. Now since we have that the cost of 1 copy is 2 naira, we can now find the cost for 5 copies by simply multiplying 5 by 2. So cost for 5 copies is equal to 2 times 5, and this will give us what? 10 naira. So therefore the cost of 5 copies is equals to what? 10 naira. Now from the option here, option A says 10, which is very correct, B says 5, which is wrong, C says 3.2, which is wrong, and D says 2, which is wrong. So the correct answer to this question is A, 10 naira. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.